Hey guys, you can see I have installed macOS Sequoia on my AMD PC with integrated graphics card. If you want to install macOS on your AMD PC, you'll have to watch this video till the end. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install macOS on your AMD PCs. If you are using AMD graphics cards or you are with AMD iGPU, this video is for you. You'll need to download File Explorer++, mini tool partition, and macOS Sequoia image from Aurora, and finally the file. If you don't know how to generate a perfect file, there is a video already in my channel macOS playlist. You can refer this. Now, Explorer++, mini tool partition, and Sequoia image downloading link will be given in the description. Now, open your browser, search for repos, open the very first link, and click on the latest. It's downloaded. After download, close your browser, go to download folder again. You will find repos. Double tap on it. Click on yes. Click on yes. Now it's opened. Now go to download folder again. Select the Aurora Sequoia image and drag and drop it to the repos application. Now minimize this. Now you'll have to insert a pen drive to PC minimum 32 GB. Click on get started. Make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, because in this process, you will lose every data from your pen drive. Click on Start. Click on OK. Now, you will have to wait until the process is completed. Now, when it's completed, it will show ready. Click on Close. Now, go to Download folder again. And here, you'll find Explorer++. Just right-click on it. Extract all. And check this. Extract. It extracted. Move it to the desktop. Open the folder. Right-click on Explorer++. Run as administrator. Click on yes. Minimize this. Now install the mini tool partition. It's installed. Let's finish it. Click on launch. Here you'll have to select your pen drive, and on your pen drive you will find a drive named EFI. Right click on it. Select change later. Click on OK. Apply. Yes. Now it's done. Close it. Now again, go to the Explorer++. You'll find EFI is opened. Now, go to the download folder again and select your EFI. Right click on it, copy, go back, go to the EFI drive, and just right click on here, paste it. Click on Replace File Destination. Now it's done. Now you can close this File Explorer. Now, right click on Tools menu, select the disk management. Here you will have to create a drive minimum 100 GB of space. Right click on bigger drive, click on shrink volume. Approx 100 GB of space is taken. Now click on shrink, volume is created. Right click on it, new simple volume, click on next, click on next, click on next. Put the drive name as macOS. Click on next, click on finish. Now it's done. Now you will have to restart your PC and access the BIOS menu. To access the BIOS menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. Now on your BIOS menu, you'll have to do the following changes. Now after setting up your BIOS, click on exit. Click on save and exit. Click on yes. This time you will have to access the boot menu. To access the boot menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. Now on the boot menu, you'll have to select your pen drive and hit on the enter key. Now from here, select install macOS 15 beta and hit the enter key. Just wait a few seconds. Now on the screen, select disk utility, click on continue. From the drop down, select show all devices, select macOS drive, click on erase. From the drop down, select APFS, click on erase, click on done. Now close the disk utility, click on install macOS 15 beta and click on continue. Now click on continue, click on agree, again click on agree. Now select your macOS drive and click on continue. It will take 15 to 30 minutes to install a macOS. During the installation, your PC may restart several times. Whenever your PC restarts, you will have to access the boot menu and boot from the USB. And after rebooting, this time you will find the macOS installer. Select the macOS installer and hit the enter key. Here you will have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Again, select macOS installer and hit the enter key. Now this time you will see macOS. Select the macOS and hit the enter key. Again select macOS and hit the enter key. Now on the screen, select your country and hit on continue. Click on continue. Select no now. If you don't have internet connection, click my computer doesn't have internet. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on no now. Click on not now. Click on agree. Again, click on agree. Type your PC name. Put a password. After choosing your password, click on continue. Now click on enable location. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on setup later. Now select your theme and click on continue. Click on continue. Now click on quit. Now you will have to open this install macOS Sonoma beta file. From there, select the file and copy to the desktop. Now close this and open files. From here, open core configurator. Now go to tools, select the mount UEFI. Click on here mount partition, put your Mac password and click on OK. Click on open partition, put it here. Now again click on mount partition, close it, open this UEFI, put it to here. Open the UEFI, select these two and right click on them, click on copy, open this and just right click on here, select paste to items. Click on replace. Now it's done. Close everything. Now just restart your PC and after restarting you will see that graphics is working excellent. Thanks for watching.